This is Spiral Puzzle by Hanayama. As you can see, difficulty level of this puzzle is 5. And as always, the goal of this puzzle is to take it apart and to assemble it again. This puzzle consists of 5 parts. They look identical. So let's open the box and try to solve it. As always, there is a representation of all other Hanayama puzzles and the small instruction in which you can find the small hint, and it's not applied too much pressure. If you apply too much pressure, your puzzle could stuck. As you can see, it's made out of metal and it's not a spiral. But if we do it like this, now we can see it's becoming a spiral. And it's look nice in this condition. As you can see, not all the parts, they look the same, absolutely the same, but they have small difference in this part. You see on the top, this part is a little bit thinner and here it's a little bit thicker. Let's try another one where we can see it. Oh, this part, you can see it's a little bit different on the top and on the bottom. That's why you can't take it apart easily. You can make it like this and then you can try to take out this piece and you think, okay, I can slide it up and take it out. Nope. It goes straight to the next piece and it stays assembled. If you want to see the solution of this puzzle, you can keep watching the video. But if you don't want to spoil all the fun trying to solve it by yourself, stop watching now. Let's start with solution. As you can see, there is one part which says Hanayama. This is our key part. And to disassemble this puzzle, you have to take these 3 parts that to the left from Hanayama and put them like this. Next one, you have to take our Hanayama and the next part from it, put it like this, and try to put them up. And when you're in the middle, you can feel there is a lot of free play in this part. You have to twist these 2 parts a little bit, and that's how you disassemble it. As you can see, now we can remove all the parts and our spiral puzzle is disassembled. If you want to assemble it again, be sure to make it the same way. All the pieces supposed to be on their exact place. Because if you try to assemble 2 different pieces, they're not gonna work properly. So for example, we take these 2, we take this one, and you see this piece don't even want to go to its place. So don't mix up these parts. If you want to assemble it again, you have to take these 3 pieces and put them in like a half a spiral, and take these 2 pieces, one with Hanayama and another without Hanayama sign, put them like this, and the next move is to combine them together. Again, you have to take these 2 pieces and put them a little bit twisted like this, and then twist them. That's it, your puzzle is assembled again. This puzzle is pretty difficult to find solution, but I don't know, maybe I was lucky and I took it from the right side. I managed to solve it in 5, maybe 10 minutes. And I like this puzzle a lot. Usually I carry it with myself in a pocket and trying to give other people to solve it, but no one can do it. If you like this solution, press like and subscribe button so you don't miss my new video.